Hi there, Jesse over here at EC Auto Repair. So we're an American Asian shop. We're also a European shop because of us being on the interstate. We deal with a fair amount of BMWs, Audis, Volvos, Volkswagens, so on and so forth. So the other day I had a lady come in, and one of my local customers, and she didn't realize there was a difference between the European oil and the American Asian oil, and obviously there's a high spec oil. Some people would view it as a scam. They think going to the shop tells them to put a different oil in it, they're just wanting more money. Here's the thing, at EC Auto Repair, me and my team, what we want is the best for you and your car, okay? So a European vehicle, meaning a Volkswagen, an Audi, a Volvo, BMW, Jaguar, and the list just goes on. Mini Cooper, all those vehicles of which we work on, they take a special high-spec oil. Those engines are actually manufactured to need different needs than, say, like a Honda or a Toyota or a Chevy or a Ford or something like that. They have high-spec oil because you're a high-spec customer, and we feel like that you should be deserved as such. So I've actually redid some of our packages. We have a European oil change package here for you. It has the correct oil with the correct specs. That's a 10 to 12,000 mile oil change for that particular vehicle. But we're going to use the correct oil in your car because we want what inside it to be the correct thing. Because we're not going to put something in there that doesn't deserve to be inside there and could potentially do damage to your vehicle. So, a little tidbit about oil. Not all oil is created equal. There's a lot of differences in oils. We're going to use oil that is compatible with your vehicle.